Hello guys, today is a little bit unusual video because now you see Peugeot, not Nissan, not Infiniti, but this solution will work on any car which supports CarPlay and Android Auto. As you know, the list of supported applications with CarPlay and Android Auto is cut. You can't watch YouTube, you can't install the navigation you really like. So we solved this problem. Now I will show you a solution with Android Auto and a little bit later with CarPlay. So now you can see Android phone connected via USB. We click Android Auto, and now you can see the home screen with Android. You can install any applications you want if they available on Play Store or for Android, of course. Well, Play Market. Now we are not signed in, but you sign in and install applications. YouTube, let's check. Yes, you can see work. You can control it with volume buttons on the steering wheel or on the panel. Depends on your car. We click home. Maps. Why do we like this solution? Because you can watch YouTube and it will play in motion. As you know, all the car manufacturers doesn't support it for your safety. So now you can choose. Now you can see Navi Maps. You can install Waze if you prefer to use it, or any other Navi application. So it works fine. So that's it, and now I will show you the CarPlay solution. Well, and now the CarPlay. So now you can see the standard CarPlay interface, but with extra applications such as YouTube, Maps, WhatsApp, if you want to chat while driving, but I'm not sure you will do it. You can customize like you want. You can oh yeah, so the phone, you can download on this phone any applications which are available, but in CarPlay mode you can choose the applications which will be shown. Also you can customize columns, more or less like you prefer. Of course, YouTube. Everything works, so let's watch the video. YouTube will not pay for this ad.
Всем привет. Вам когда-нибудь приходилось находиться в самолете, когда на него...
So everything is fine. Maps. you can use Waze if you like it, but I prefer Gmaps. So it's loading. Just the bad signal of the internet. It's uploaded. So everything is okay. I wrote the phone. What else? If you need at the moment the mirror link, you can open it. Everything is fine. So one note for make it work always, one time in 1 week around, you have to refresh certificates. Don't keep it in mind. It is the problem with Apple safety. They don't like solutions like this. The process is very easy. Of course, we will give you the instruction, everything that you will need, and maybe in the first time you will misunderstand what do you do, but I'm sure that in the first time or in the second you will do it easy. It takes around half a minute. So if you have any questions, want to order CarPlay on Android Auto solution, please contact us. These both solutions work on every car, which supports CarPlay and Android Auto. If you have CarPlay but don't have navigation, it is the best solution you can find. So many thanks for watching. Stay safe and goodbye.